everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export video in DaVinci Resolve. You can export your finished video in DaVinci by using the quick export. Firstly, what you need to do is open your DaVinci app and make sure you have finished your editing project. And what you need to do is click onto this quick export in the top here. Over here you can select this first option, or you can also select any of the option over here. And after that you can simply go to this export here. And the next is you can also go to this file in the top left here. And from here, what you need to do is click onto this quick export or simply export. And after that, you can go to this timeline here. And here you can select for the folder. And after you're done, select save. And that is it. This is how you can export video in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.